Hi guys, welcome to eMedia Coach. I'm your expert instructor for the Astra Pro theme, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can utilize the footer widgets feature of the Astra Pro theme. So if you haven't still bought the Astra Pro theme, you can just go to emediacoach.com/Astra and then you'll be redirected to Astra's official website from where you can buy the official Astra Pro and then you can install it on your WordPress website. So I've already done that. So let me show you. This is my website which is using Astra Pro theme. And now let us log into our dashboard. So once you are logged in, you have to go to Appearance and then you have to go to Astra Options. So as you can see, there are a variety of modules available to the Astra Pro users. And if you can't find these options here to activate these modules, then that means you are using the free version of the Astra Pro theme and you need to buy Astra Pro theme from its official website or by either going to emediacoach.com/Astra and then you have to activate this theme. So once you are able to see these options, you can activate each one of these plugins and then take benefits of these plugins. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about footer widgets and I'll walk you through its features. So let's click on activate, but before I click on activate, let me show you what difference it is going to make. So let's go to appearance and then go to customize. Now let's go to layout and then let's go to footer. So as you can see, there are two options here. If I go to footer widgets, you'll see that there is only one option to add a footer with 4 sections. And if I go back and then I go to footer bar, you'll see that I have these two options with some custom sections. So let's go back and now let me activate this. So once this is activated, let's go to this page and then refresh it. So now let's go to layout and then go to footer and now let's go to footer widgets. So as you can see that earlier only this option was available, but now we have multiple options available. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can utilize all of this. So as you can see, right now I don't have any footer, only this bar is present. So because I have disabled it, if I make it 1, you'll see that a section will be appearing here in which I can display any type of information. And from here I can add a widget to it. So there are multiple type of widgets available. You can add them according to your own need. And if I go back and then I again go to layout, footer and footer widgets, then I can select this option to display 2 and I can select this option to display 3 sections, and or I can select this one to display this type of information which has custom size. So using these all available options, I can customize this and I can also add padding to it. So suppose I add 70 top, 70 right, 70 bottom and 70 left. So as you can see that this section has been added a padding of 70, and now you can also set custom content width. So in order to set content width, you can just click on here and you can also make it full width. So as you can see, these things have shifted to full width, and if I select content width, these will be shifted to this width. So you have all of these options in your footer layout. Now you can also add a top border. So suppose I add a border of 10 and I make the color red. You can see this border here. So this is how you can customize this footer section, and let's disable it and let me show you the other thing. This is the footer bar. So these options are available to all the users even if they are using free version of Astra, but in this video I'm going to explain you these features as well because they are part of footer. So you can select this type or this type. In this type, these both things will come one after another, and in this type they will be coming in inline mode. And in order to change the text, you can just edit this information here and you can change this text by using this information. You can also add custom things to it like a footer menu or a widget or nothing if you don't want to have anything. So this was all about footer sections in your Astra Pro theme, and I have made videos related to all of these features in my channel. So you can just go to my channel and hit the subscribe button if you are interested in watching videos related to Astra Pro. And I'm also going to make videos on WordPress and other WordPress themes. So if you are into this space and you want to learn more and more things every day, then you can just hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, press the thumbs icon below. If you have any questions or suggestions or queries, you can just comment them below, or you can go to our website emediacoach.com and then go to contact form and fill your question in the contact form. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.